Well, let's start with India first, where the active cases of coronavirus seem to be coming under control. However, the situation in Delhi seems to be precarious, with the national capital facing a third wave. Sneha Mordani explains what's going wrong in Delhi.
15,000 new cases in Delhi this winter. That projection by the National Centre of Disease Control is unfortunately coming true. From over 7,000 cases on the 7th of November to a slight dip on the 9th as testing dropped, Delhi is now reporting its highest ever daily spike of over 8,000 new cases. The government has confirmed that this indeed is a third wave of the infection.
ये थर्ड स्पाइक तो डेफिनेटली है, जिसमें हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि फर्स्ट सेकंड से ज़्यादा केस आए.
The spike is not unexpected.
We have had what I would say is COVID fatigue, and in a crowded place like Delhi or in a metropolitan city, if people don't follow physical distancing, if they don't wear their masks regularly, then any event in which there is a crowd and there is one individual who is spreading the disease and is asymptomatic is present there, this can become a super spreading event. We know that respiratory viruses tend to have spike during the winter months, and we've seen a fall in the temperature as far as Delhi is concerned. The third factor, which also is important to keep in mind, is air pollution, which is also contributing to increasing cases and more severe cases.
While winter months are not following COVID-appropriate behavior is leading to a surge in COVID-19 infections here in Delhi, experts say that the air pollution is only going to add to the problem in terms of ensuring that people develop a more severe form of infection, and recovery is also delayed. But it's not just Delhi which is facing this problem. The regions around Delhi, which is the national capital region, is also seeing a massive surge in COVID-19 infections.
Same ecosystem है, same environment है, same behavior है, थोड़ा-थोड़ा फर्क हर एरिया में होता है. तो ये दर्शाता है कि इस कॉन्ग्लोमरेट में यहाँ की जो पॉपुलेशन है, हम सब है, एक इस सिचुएशन में है जिसमें कि अभी वायरस का प्रकोप हमें हराने की कोशिश कर रहा है.
Noida is currently one of the worst affected cities in Uttar Pradesh. Its positivity rate is 4 times the state average. Gurugram, Faridabad and Ghaziabad are also reporting a surge. There is a 28% rise in the weekly average in the National Capital Region districts of UP. In Delhi, the rise is 32%.
The increased air pollution is cited as one of the major reasons, but then it is really not the only factor. If you actually look at the Google mobility trackers, you can see that the level of activities right now are closer to the level it was in the earlier part of the year. And also now with the festive season and maybe less adherence to social distancing norms and mask wearing, etc., might also be contributing to these increasing cases.
The falling trend in new cases and deaths has been arrested. The alarming rise, not just in Delhi but in the entire NCR region, is a wake-up call not to let one's guard down. The crisis is far from over. In New Delhi, Sneha Mordani for CNN News 18.